super home right here, guys. Exactly. Yes, we are still getting the okay to be here. So or else we would definitely move. Also, we would just move to a different area, but we can't completely clear out of this area at this point. But yeah, flames coming right up to these homes on Calle Victoria. But again, this was their plan. This is what these firefighters said was going to happen. And so they've been waiting for this to happen at this point. So they're just doing exactly what their plan was. Right now, you can see what they're doing. And, it's getting really, really, really hot for